It matters.
It matters that it's published.
Oh yes, oh yes.
The reason
if it didn't
why,
matter, then you just publish, debate, pass it into law.
You're complying with the Constitution. I'm going to come to aspects where we've seen bills come before Parliament, and the record 3 days they have been passed into law. I'm going to talk about it.
Never
Housing
happened.
bill, for example. I sat here with Otiende Amolo, but I'm going to talk about that. But let me ask you. I know you'll disagree because you sit in Parliament.
It's not practical, by the way. I'm not saying. I'm not just saying it never happens. It is not practical to publish a bill and pass it within 3 days.
It's not possible.
Practically,
push through.
Practically impossible.
Okay.
Because you minimum, at least for the National Assembly, and there are court rulings that have set precedents on it. Public participation actually is an integral part of our lawmaking process today, since 2010, after the 2010 Constitution. I think way back in 2014 or 2015, there was a court ruling that at least there must be public participation for a minimum, or at least of 7 days. And every bill that you will see in the National Assembly, or the one that emanates from the National Assembly, public participation ought to have been done for 7 days. Publication period usually is 14 days.
14 days. I'll ask you how long the affordable housing bill took before it went before the president for assent.
Oh, or between adoption and assent?
Yes.
That should even, if it were possible, by the way, to finish with the bill on a Thursday evening, have the vellums ready, but the government printer have their own challenges with the production of the vellum paper that the president signs on, and the one they reproduce the last bill, the act on. If it were practical to publish it, to do it within half a night, then you could finish a bill on Thursday evening, and it's a certain day to law Friday morning.
It's fairly legal, regardless of the time. It's fairly legal.
No, nothing illegal.
Nothing illegal.
So we're going to talk about that. Parliament has finished its work.
Yes.
Then the rest of the work is the president's, and it's up to him to decide when the bill is taken to him.
I'm going to talk about that. He has 14
days to assent or not to assent.
I'm going to talk about that because there was debate that was brought before the floor of the House the last time, just before it was